X, you're so extra. I wish you loved me too.
Like that. Get this. Okay, so now I'm going to. This is the Vice Unit 1, and this is the color 1, and it's really black, so I love that look on me. And this is supposed to be HD. This is what it looks like. Sorry, y'all. The spray kind of made it a little crusty looking, so I'm gonna have to go back and fix it. But I definitely like this blends in with my skin. It's supposed to be ear to ear lace. I don't know if it's big head friendly. I don't know what size I have. I think it's like a 22. This is where the lace is like stopping right now. So it claims to be ear to ear lace. I guess you can say. Yeah. What else does it claim to have? And it's a 5D part. I do love that. It's a deep part. I started to like turn this to the side and wear like in the side part. I might do that. I think that'll be cute. I think that'll be cute actually. So I might do that with this wig. I definitely want this in more colors. At first I really wanted to get blonde, but I got kind of scared. I don't know why. I'm definitely probably going to go back and get this wig in another color. Because I love how the models look for this collection too. They all look good to me. I don't know where the little stock card is, so I can show y'all like the color. And it's not shedding too bad. I did feel like I see a couple of pieces, but it is synthetic, so I mean I don't really expect like no shedding at all. So yeah, definitely want to go back and get this in another color. They had this in a chunky highlight with like a blonde. I'm so annoyed I can't find the little card to show y'all like all the other colors if you haven't seen them. But I definitely want to do this like in the side part. This is a Tpart frontal. It's only like a track. This is what the inside looks like, y'all. If I didn't show y'all, this is just the Tpart. It has lace ear to ear, and it all you can really do is the middle part, or you can kind of like maybe, you know, turn it into a side part, because I have tried it on like that and I thought it was cute. So I'm probably gonna do that next. But y'all, I do like this hair. This is definitely giving me scalp. I could fix this a little bit better, so you know, maybe when I have the time. I wanted to straighten this hair more. I just ran a hot comb through it. I don't know what's the heat safety, but I had it like on the lowest one possible, because I don't want to be burning the hair off and stuff, because it is, you know. But yeah, y'all definitely have to try this in another color. Oh, and for the price, I think it was like $35 because I've ordered it. So I paid like $4 for shipping. I ordered mine from Ebony Line. So yeah. And I feel like it came, was it like 5 days it took to come? It doesn't matter, but it does matter though. But it didn't take long to come. It's just like 5 days. So I was waiting on this, and I'm just now trying to get one. And it's giving. Let me show y'all the length. I think this is like a, I don't know what was the length on this. Like some faint baby hairs. I didn't really want them too thick. I haven't really been into the thick baby hair edges, and I really don't have the time to keep managing them. Hopefully like this style of baby hairs are easy to manage, because they're not really as thick and, you know, in density with my little edges I just did. I really wanted like a natural like baby hair look, because I really didn't feel like doing them at all, but I did anyway, and I love how this looks. I feel like it's so cute, and definitely going to try this in another color, because I love how this is looking right now. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for more hair reviews and other content, and I'll see y'all in the next video.